These are my fluorescent light bulbs, and in this video I'll show you how to remove them. It's always a good idea to turn off your circuit breaker before starting your project. So first you're going to have to take this cover off by gently pulling this with both hands on one side first, and then you kind of push it out like this. It's also a great opportunity to clean this, as you will find some bugs and dust and it will all be dirty. So good opportunity to clean this before installing it back on. Looking at one end, you'll see this gap, and that's where you want to take it out of. I have to twist it towards me in a counterclockwise direction. It's a little painful until it comes out like this, and then you basically pull it out. Here's what it looks like when you take it off. As you can see, you can basically guiding through that path. And that's it. If you like this video, smash that like button and check out how I converted these lights into LEDs next.